Episode 1 of The Sound of Magic really made me think back to how I used to feel as a kid when I thought that anything was possible. And it also made me realize, especially as I went back and I edited my reaction, how cynical life has made me, how cynical adulthood has made me. And it makes me want to tap back into the wonder that is believing that anything is possible. I want to know what happens next. I want to hear the songs in this episode. I am super excited, so let's get started.
annarasumanara.
Magic. It's magic. Even the score in the background, like, makes me feel emotional. Something about it reminds me of Narnia, actually. Say your words.
이유가 궁금하다면 결론을 도출하게 된 근거에 대해서 잠시.
Is this his way of flirting? Your game needs some work, sir.
방금 나한테 무슨 말 했어?
She didn't hear anything he said. Oh, this poor man. Man. It's for the best she didn't hear. It wasn't the greatest line or move. Oh, don't walk into a pole. I would do something like that. Let me be honest. I walk into walls all the time. He need like a real good interior designer because you can't be having all that magic and living like this. Ooh, no. Who said hello? Who is that? No, we're not gonna do this. Oh, it's a parrot. Okay. Why it sound like that? Who? I thought somebody was possessed. Ooh, not you calling people ugly. You a bird. You are beautiful, girl. Don't listen to him. Is he repeating things he heard? Or is he saying things himself?
누구야? 깜짝이야.
You just rolling up behind people?
근데 누구?
Somebody who can make you disappear. You might want to run.
돈 얘기를 한번 해보자. 네가 대신 돈 갚아줄래?
Sir Magic Man, do you have money? Ooh. No, but he got some moves though. Ooh.
괜찮아?
I low-key like Sir Magic Man, I'm not gonna lie. Whether or not he evil, I'm low-key on his side.
얼마를 줄 건데?
What's he about to do?
annarasumanara.
Is he about to make it rain money? Is that what this about to happen? That's a creative way to make it rain. He's kind of cool and he's kind of scary. I don't know, I like him. I do. I really love this. I really truly do. Well, if she didn't believe before, she do now. Wait.
이게 우리를 알로구나 사기를 쳐?
Well, for a second you were, because you really thought that was real. So did I, actually.
야.
He punched Sir Magic Man.
어때? 나 이번에도 성공했지.
What did you do?
내가 저 사람들 다 사라지게 만들었잖아.
He didn't do it in the way that she thought. Oh, okay, I get it.
네가 믿는다면 닿을 것 같은데. 난 거의.
This man has to be. He seems so lonely. I really like their voices together, though. That was a pretty song.
서연을 받거나 짐작 가는 일이 있는 사람.
She's really gone.
이따가 우리 도서관 같이 가자.
He's so happy.
좀 천천히 좀.
How y'all just walking into people's houses?
야, 너 이름이 뭐야?
Oh, so he don't talk to them. Sir Magic Man don't look happy. You in his house poking at his bird. Man, why y'all keep making Sir Magic Man angry? This man has frowned more in this episode than, I don't know. It's only the second episode, but still. Wait, are they gonna sing? Are they gonna sing together? Are we gonna get a song with them too? Please, please. I want it. Okay, we are. Hee hee.
좋은 시간이야
Oh, it's his feelings.
아직 잘 몰라도 왠지 너는 나에게
Oh, cute. But you need to use your words though. That's the only way this is gonna work. Aww. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. I freaking love this. That was adorable. Oh my gosh.
도대체 이런 건 왜 먹으시는 거예요?
You can't go into folks' house breaking stuff. Y'all just leave. Does that look like the face of a man who wants you to be there? Read the room. Read the room. Not only does she have no sense of spatial awareness, she can't read the room.
그러면 그 소문이 사실인지 아닌지 확인할 수 있잖아.
Then look at his eye. Girl, just run. You don't need to be there.
그럼 중간부터 나랑 사귀자.
What? Don't take it back. Say, mean your words. Say what you meant. You meant what you said. Say, stick with it. Stick with it.
너가 싫은 건 절대 아닌데 지금은 내가 누구를 만날 상황이 못.
Dang. I gotta see this man get rejected in 2 dramas. You did at least give her the umbrella? Dang, sir.
아, 저기 안녕.
It take him a little minute to get on things, but he eventually get there. It just take him a little bit.
혹시 서인 알아요? 그거 아저씨가 한 짓 아니에요?
Wait. It went from whimsy to being kind of stressful. Oh.
유나이랑은 어떤 사이예요?
Now, you start talking about her, he gonna have a real fit.
아, 그리고 아이한테 전해줄래? 내가 기다린다고.
가문을 인류 브랜드로 만드는 건 한 사람만 특출 나선 절대 불가능한 일이야.
늘 명심하고 있어요.
그래.
Sound like he has a lot of pressure on him. Does he scratch himself because of stress?
원조 교제.
Dang.
냄새가 아주 솔솔 난단 말이지. 완전 깨지.
그래. 완전 깬다 너.
I'm glad he's standing up for her now.
대체 왜 나를 기다리시는 건데?
Please tell us why.
네가 좋아. 난
It's probably not the way he think though.
네가 쓴 메시지들 아직 확인 못 하셨잖아.
What is happening?
올해도 즐거운 학교 생활이 될 것 같아. 그러니까 내 걱정은 하지 마.
What? How you put text messages into the water? It's magic, Kayla. It's magic. What is happening? It's making me emotional, but what is going on?
정체가 뭐예요?
What are you? I want to know too. Okay, so she is dead. So did you not know this? What? So he was making them red even though she's dead, but he didn't know she was dead? The level of confusion I have is a lot.
네가 좋아. 난
Is that what he saw? That's not what I saw. Man, the mind be playing tricks. So is she really dead or did she just leave?
그게 덜 아팠으니까.
But she abandoned her.
내가 전에 사랑한다는 메시지도 썼었던가?
Man, this is oof.
내가 기다린다고.
야, 딱 보자마자 떠오르는 거 없냐?
있지. 형법 307조.
Ooh,
너 조심하라고.
ooh. Ooh, and he shoulder checking.
교실에서 하면 안 되는 얘기야?
응.
Is he gonna ask her straight up?
너 좀 못 보면 안 되냐?
You gonna ask her to fail?
그게
Cause it's the pressure that's on him. But also that's a lot to ask.
돈 줄게.
Oh, it's a little bit slimy. Sir, this is not okay.
너 돈 필요하지 않아?
This is there are so many emotions I have after watching this episode. I am confused. I got a little bit stressed out. They were playing games with Sir Magic Man, and he seems so just like bright, cheery, Willy Wonka weird in the first episode, but he a little bit scary. And I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. I need to know what happens next. Like, I really, really, really do. So tell me what you thought of this episode, because it kind of changed the tone completely, in my opinion, and I'm really curious about what you guys thought about it. So if you want to see me hopefully remedy this state of confusion I'm in my next reaction video, do not forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.